Hi, how you doing? I'm going to talk to you today about mindset. Mindset is so important. And some of the reframes that I really like to do that I'm going to share with you today is one of them is I have to. Have being the operative word, right? I have to go to work. I have to tend to the kids. I have to make dinner. I have to go grocery shopping. I have to walk to the store. I have to call a motivated seller. I have to post on social media. And what we don't realize is that when we're saying that we have to, there's no gratitude, right? There's no gratitude in when we turn around and we say the words have to. So the reframe that I want to teach you today is I get to. I get to walk to the store because I can walk. I get to tend to the kids because I have kids. I get to tend to the kids because I can. Physically, mentally, emotionally. Whether it's you're doing something for your significant other, I get to. Some people say to me, a lot of my students, when they're coming to me, they've got all these questions and they're like, well, you mean that I have to make phone calls? You get to make phone calls. You get to bless people. You get to help people. You get to solve problems. You get to be part of a community, a society. Maybe it's a city. Maybe it's a province, a state, a country. Making a bigger impact besides yourself. And when we're coming from the limited mindset of, well, I have to fill in the blank, turning that around and going, I get to. And the gratitude that opens up is, wow, is being thankful that you get to.